So you've just started your new YouTube channel, or you've just started a second channel for something else. Maybe you're an actor and you've created a new one and it's going to be faceless. But you can't just leave it blank. You have to customize it. We're going to dive in and do that right now. So these are the two empty channels that we just created. Let's work from Dog Mom Vlogs. So we're going to click on that one and go to View My Channel. Okay, Customize Channel is where we're going to do all of this. Customize Channel. Okay, so the things we're going to need are the banner and other items here. So to prepare, I also did a little homework ahead of time on my ChatGPT. Now, whether you're for or against AI or ChatGPT, it does help you get the juices flowing at least. So I told my ChatGPT to be my YouTube guru. It had all of the knowledge on SEO, search engine optimization and all those things. I told it a little bit about myself. So now we're ready. And I'm going to tell it that it's called Dog Mom Vlogs. That's the only thing it was waiting for. I even gave it some pictures of me. Okay, here we go. How cute is that? That's actually really cute. Oh my goodness, I love them. I love the banner. Please answer the rest of my questions. Ooh, it's creating my logo. Look at this cute. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Okay, now I'm going to tell it, please move on to the description and tags. Hey, I was petting Bella just now and I scared her. She's in that stroller. I'm not going to read all of this to you. All you need to know is that I'm going to put it there, okay? It gave me first video ideas, thumbnail style, very important, title formula, very important. I'm going to save all of this because maybe I will need this channel. I don't know. Okay, remember we were on channel customization in the profile area. So we're going to go to upload banner image and we're going to take the banner that we just made. Now here's the problem. You see here how it doesn't fit in the safe area? That's a little issue with our friend ChatGPT. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through this so that this doesn't become too long of a video, but what you're going to see is what I do in Canva to make it fit. All right, let's go. This is a banner that I know fits because it's on one of my other channels. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a copy of it. I'm going to upload the banner I was given. This is my safe area. Then I'm going to take this same picture and put it behind it again and stretch it. And then you move it to the back. Is it perfect? No, but it's going to fit. Watch. Whenever you download anything from Canva that you're going to put up into YouTube, I find that if I do it as a JPEG, it fits. It's not too large of a file. When I download as PNG, it's too large of a file. Upload. Yes, it fits. Okay, and that's because this section is viewable on all devices, this section is viewable on desktop, and this section is viewable on TV. Can it be fancier? Yes, but this is an example. There you go. Now we're going to change the profile picture. Done. There we go. And down here, the watermark can be your logo again, or you can design something that says subscribe. I'm going to put my logo there again. Do I want my logo or do I want my banner? I'm going to put my logo. Oh, it's too small. 1 megabyte or smaller. Let's see. That was too big. Okay. Well, and it's because I think that was a PNG. That's okay. I'm putting the banner, but see how I'm shrinking it? And again, you could go into Canva and write subscribe in big red letters. Done. And I like when it shows on the entire video. Okay? Now, right here, you do not want to put the email address that we built this channel on, because then you're giving hackers a way to hack you. And right here is where you can add any links. Like if you want them to subscribe, you can put your channel address and put, join the conversation or something. We need to have a description here. So we're going to go to our friend, we're going to go back to our ChatGPT and get that. Here's the description it gave us. And note that you only get 1,000 characters. Hey friends, welcome to Dog Mom Vlogs. I'm Dawnnie Mercado, and this is my real life with my babies Rex and Bella. On this channel, you'll see our everyday life, the good, the messy, the fun, and sweet moments that make being a dog mom the best thing ever. We go on walks, run errands, have lazy days, and just live together. If you love dogs, you're going to feel right at home here. Rex is a big goofy boy, and Bella is my tiny little queen. This could not be more true. If you love dogs, dog life, vlogs, and real moments, hit subscribe and come hang out with us. I don't know, I might have to keep this channel. Description. Boom. There you go. 547 out of 1,000. That's awesome. That's all you need. Okay, now what do we have here? Tags. And then channel keywords important. So what are these tags for? If those are my channel keywords, why are you giving me these tags? I'm thinking these tags will end up my upload defaults. I don't know. I'm going to use these because I get 500 characters. So I'm going to take those 500 characters and I'm going to go back to my channel. And before I leave this section, I need to click publish. Let's see. What's missing? Why isn't it letting me? I know I didn't publish it yet. I can't go away from here. Did I publish already? Review this page for possible errors before publishing. Please save my work. Do I have an error somewhere? I'm going to make one little change. No. What's happening? Profile? That's good. That's good. Oh, I'm going to remove the link. It was waiting for me to put a link, okay? Because had I gone away just now, I would have lost all my work. Let's publish. Whew, I don't want to redo that. So let's view our channel. View channel. Sometimes you do all this work and it doesn't show up right away. So let's see if it's there yet. View channel. Nothing's there yet. Don't worry, it will. Sometimes you have to refresh. While it catches up, let's go back to customize channel. See, it's there. It's just not showing yet when we click on it. So next we need to go to the Home tab. Now note, a Home tab won't show unless you click this little button. Even though you've started to make videos and make them public, unless you click this button, they're not going to show. We're going to click that button. Automatically, by default, it's going to show the For You section. It'll show the videos that you publicly make, and or you can set something as a premiere and it'll also show. We can talk about that later in more advanced lessons. Shorts videos will show, and these things will show. Okay, so nothing is there yet, but we have turned on our Home tab. Now we're going to publish that. Now remember, I still have 500 characters of keywords on my clipboard, which means I copied it on my little mouse here, and I'm going to go paste it in a place that is going to help me a lot. So you go to settings and you go to, first we're going to put our channel keywords. Channel. And we're going to say that we're in the United States or wherever you are. United States. Okay. Here's my keywords. Ready? There we go. Channel keywords 404. I like this. Does it have the name of the channel? Dog Mom? No, always make sure, oh, it's right there. Always make sure your channel name is one of your keywords. Save those. Okay. And remember, we're still in settings, channel, advanced settings. You won't be able to do some of these things yet if your channel is brand new, but I'm going to say no Let's see. No, set this channel as not made for kids. Read this question. Automatic captions. Don't show potentially inappropriate words. I like that. Enable automatic dubbing. YouTube will go ahead and translate it into many languages for you. I don't do this. I do allow people to clip my content. I do allow these things. I don't allow that. That's all I need to do here. Okay, we have one more thing, the feature eligibility section. So remember, we're still on settings, channel, feature eligibility. So standard features are enabled, videos over 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, and live streaming. I'm eligible, but I can't enable it yet, can I? No, you have to verify using a phone number. I'm not going to go through that right now, but you will need to. You'll click on this and I'll talk you through it, okay? If I keep this channel, I'm probably going to link it to one of my other Gmail addresses, so at least I have all of the information because I really like what we've created. Okay, close that. Advanced features, this is the one, increase daily video uploads and live streams. I'm eligible, however, I have to do all this verification. So I'm not going to go through that part with you, but if you go through these steps and you will be eligible to do these other things. Okay, so for now, I don't think I've made any changes here. But we're going to go to upload defaults. Right here, upload defaults, you want to select your visibility to be private every time because you don't want to accidentally go public with something and then find out that you made an error or you didn't finish your search engine optimization, or worse, you didn't let it fully check whether or not you're getting a copyright claim against any music. Just to be safe, upload it as private. And then as you start working on it, you can go back and make it unlisted. You can make it unlisted if you want to share it with someone privately, like if you're in our YouTube class, listed as unlisted. And that means it hasn't gone public yet. You can give us the link. I'll show you how, and then we can watch things as you're learning how to do it. Okay, the tags that I still have on my little mouse here, I can put them here. These will be the default tags so that I never accidentally upload a video with nothing. Now, every time I upload a video from my computer, it will automatically have these, which saves you a lot of time. But you'll want to go ahead and remove the ones that don't pertain to that exact video and or add more. And then we have our title here. I'm just going to put Dog Mom Vlogs, just as, so it's never blank. And then description. So I have to go get my description again. I'm going to use the exact same description that I'm using as my channel description for now. And so that was here. Hey friends, welcome to Dog Mom Vlogs. I'll copy this. Now again, you're going to be smart about this and you're going to customize it so that it is specific to the video every time. And then once you have right here, once you have playlists, I will always say something like new here. This is a great place to start. And then I'll put the playlist link there. I'll talk to you about playlists in a future lesson, but just know that if you have a playlist link in your description every time, maybe it's the binge list of your entire channel. That's really great because if you put things in a playlist, they can watch them again and again and again and again. The longer someone is on the platform, the more popular your channel is in YouTube's eyes because their goal is to keep people on the platform. Okay, so I think we've hit all of the basics that you need to know to get yourself started, okay? Again, I left this blank. I'm not really going to use this channel. I'm probably going to move it, but I do like everything we've created. Okay, let's see if it's working now. Let me open it and look at our channel. Some of it is, oh, it's there. Yeah, the reason the rest is blank is I haven't made any videos yet. But my banner is there, my logo is there, the name is there. Look, there's the description. It was started today. And if I scroll down, what else do I see? That's all I see. But if I were to upload a video, if I were to click create and upload anything, it would automatically have those things that we put, the tags and the description. If you click on more, I don't know, later on, I'm not sure how and when you end up seeing all of the channel keywords. They are here, but for now they're hidden. Really quickly, I'll pop on over to one of my other channels and show you where that would be viewable. Okay, so this is Dawnnie Mercado, also sort of dog related right now, but not really vlogs. So I'm not sure if it would be redundant to keep that other channel. But here you are on the home page. Eventually, when you have content that is public, I can show you how to add a featured video that shows as soon as someone opens your channel. I'll show you how you can link your other channels if you want to promote them. And these are playlists. This is the behind the scenes playlist. And this is the playlist that got me monetized, reactions to famous YouTubers. And if you go down here, these are all of the shorts that I've done recently and my recent videos. So that's what it will look like eventually. Okay, I had to log in as one of my other people. I'm logged in as Dawnnie Mercado now. So you see here that when I click on more, it shows my description and it shows the links that I told you about that you can add. And this one I started in 2012. So it took me a long time to figure this out. And then down here you can see the channel keywords. So that's where the channel keywords will show. And this is my main video that shows to people when they come by. These things, don't worry about them for now, but if you're interested in learning how to load TubeBuddy, vidIQ, or ViewStats, I'll link that video next. I think that we have accomplished everything we wanted to do. So for now, let's go from here to, let's see. I found me! Subscribe. Even though I'm not going to keep it. This is what we created today. By all means, let me know how this helped you, if it did, and leave me a comment about one of the things you learned that you didn't already know, because the longer you and I are here together on YouTube, you're going to find that YouTube really loves comments. If I forgot to properly introduce myself in this video, hi, I'm Dawnnie Mercado. I'm a professional actor, but I dove into YouTube because I got sick and tired of waiting to be cast. So I love this platform, and I'm here to share all of my tools with you. I'll see you in the next one.